So my contribution to this platform is we cannot fight different cases of inequality in isolation because of the intersectionality and the diverse nature of how inequality manifests. You would find, I've been hearing cases of women in agriculture, but you'd also find that some of the women who are also doing that work in agriculture, some of them may be disabled or maybe taking care of a disabled child. So the intersectionality nature of issues cannot we cannot then separate the issues and try to deal with inequality from a sectional point of view. So we need to have some sort of institutional mechanisms or institutional arrangements that will foster for progressive participation, actually active participation of people of different diverse backgrounds, where we can then form a national development plan which is shared by all the people within the community, but coming from the grassroots. That's my contribution for now.
From a female student's perspective, from female students, there is that inequality, like women in leadership. If a woman, a lady, at a conduct for like the student bodies, I can say society cannot and so as kind of what quick to level maybe but not students or she's being used or they are quick to level she's a prostitute or something like that. So Apana that she got if I want to contest and this is not that confidence because people will level me to see why am I doing it. And then there is a case like the project that we're doing last year of my rural schools. There were my cases they put like the school staff my headmaster the matches right out of it kuno vana like kune zvima churches kuti vanodzidzisa kuti pane this time kuti vanhu vemachurches vese vanoenda vanoita anonzi church conference but for 2 weeks atina kana maybe 35% yevanhu vari vere mumwe vanoenda kuchurch for 2 weeks vana havasitobva kuchikoro and they are going kumachurches kwavo ikoko and vana vachonawo kuti vakabvunzwa vanotoziva kuti tichakabata like this community and vanoziva kuti makatidzinga pachikoro panosara panani something like that nekuti kuti kana kumachurch conference ndokaikuzonzi mwana angosvika grade 6 grade 7 they are getting married hawachatokwanisa kuendera mberi wechikoro and then kutike zvino nyaya like presiding maschools akafida they are going back to that time yekuti panozonzi mari yakadaisowo panhapa so achaenda kuchikoro ndiani musikana kana mukomana kubvakazonzi hamusikana tonzidzisirei and then the girl child akungogara pamba kunzi hatisina mari then the boy child proceed. And then what I think we need to do as civil societies, we need to be consistent. Because tikangoita this global weekend, we will put a fight inequality and then raise my issues out and then the fireworks we are going to try and solve my problems out and then after this we took a time that notice.
Yeah.